So today we are with Mr. Ali, who runs basically the waffles company. And what's the name of your company, sir?
Hi, it's called Waffle Mill. So we're waffle manufacturers from Mumbai.
Okay.
So we make a variety of products for that: waffle chips,
Okay.
waffle cookies, frozen toaster waffles,
Okay.
pancake mixes, waffle mixes.
Okay.
We also have a range of B2B products that we supply to brands like Baskin Robbins, Strava, T-Post, like frozen pancakes, brownie mixers, truffles, cookie dough.
So can you please tell me how old this company is?
So this company was actually started in 1982 by my partner's aunt. So she was a small home baker making waffles from home.
Okay.
So the first product was the waffle, the classic waffle that we were supplying around the Fancy Road in Mumbai.
Okay.
And that's where it started off. Me and my partner friend joined the business in 2014 and stuff it.
So how's the journey till date?
It's been good. It's been tough. It's been hard, but it's been fun.
Okay.
So
And what the biggest challenge till date?
till date is I would say is Mr. Mention is figure his product flip. But I mean, especially when you're creating a new category in itself. So I mean, lot of learning. Way, but it's been hard.
And what the last year sales, if I'll ask?
So last year we did a turnover of almost 5 crore rupees.
Okay.
And the growing, so we're almost doing and almost year on year we're doubling sales. We're currently in 18 cities, Mumbai, Delhi.
So you are present in online version as well?
Yes, we are on Amazon Big Basket, we're Amazon Choice of Product. We have a 4.5 stuff in it. It will check us out.
Okay. So what's your future plans?
So I mean, we're looking to introducing a range of other products. So we're just introducing a new range of waffle chips called Cookie and Cream. We're looking at taking our products to the international market too. So yeah, and we're plus expanding in India.
That's perfect, man. That's perfect. It's good to see Indian brands over international ones.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ali, for giving the time. Thank you.